guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to come and share with you guys a payday budget with me. So today is Thursday, the February the 15th. So I get paid tomorrow on February the 16th, but I already know how much I'm going to get paid. So I'm going to go ahead and do my payday budget with me. I think I'm going to make this a every 2-week thing and then do a monthly budget with me as well. So like I did with my first video. So looking at my planner, some things are different. I got this, the Happy Planner Girl little pouch thing right here. I got this from Hobby Lobby. So luckily for me, I work at a Target, and right next to a Target, they built a Hobby Lobby. So it was brand new and they were having their soft opening. And when I tell you, I saw everything that I could possibly want for my planner. I saw everything. And a lot of stuff was on clearance. So I got this. This was on clearance for $2. And then I also got this Glam Girl sticker book. It was on clearance for $5. And then I got this Trendsetter sticker book, and this one was on clearance for $5. And then I also got some stuff for Valentine's Day for one of my friends, because I put her on to Planner Life. So I got her a sticker book as well, you know, just to be nice because she's my friend. So that's that. But other than that, I still have the same planner. So I already filled out most of, or probably everything, for this one. So this is what my monthly view looks like. And as you can see right now, we are here on the 15th. So I don't have any bills due. Nothing's due today. And then tomorrow is payday. So this is my second check of the month. So this is going to be my highest bills, because the first of the month, my first check for the first of the month is takes out the lowest bills, and then my last check takes out all the higher ones. If you don't know about the cash envelopes, I'll quickly explain it to you, basically how I know it works. So basically what it is I just take out cash from every payday, and I distribute it into envelopes. So for my cash clips, I'm going to have one for cash clips. For my cash envelopes, so I don't have envelopes, so I just decided to do cash clips, because I have like little clips that I bought from Target. Actually, I have the bag right here, if they're even in here. Yeah, I have like these little clips right here that I bought from Target. So I'm going to use these as cash clips instead of cash envelopes. But I'm going to make one for gas, and I'm going to do $45 for the next 2 weeks. Eating out, I'm going to do $20. And then for personal, so let's just say I need my eyebrows done, I decide I want to go to like the movies or something, which I am. There's a couple movies that I want to go see. I just budgeted $50. Now I went a little over. I probably should have done like 40, but I decided to do 50, like just in case, because this is my first time doing it and I don't really know like how much I'll actually need. I probably won't even need that much. So I just budgeted $50. So that'll be $115 that I'm going to take out in cash for my next check. And I'll come back and do another video on how I separated and what I'm going to do with that $115, so that you guys can have a better understanding of it. I just want to do a little quick overview of that. But yeah, so I know last time I said I was going to do a no spend February, but guys, I failed at that on the 1st of February, on the first day. Like, I failed miserably. With this check, I have my student loan coming out, car note, car insurance, and Netflix. So I already told y'all this, but this, I just have it written down like this. And I think I like this way of using the bill pay checklist better, like separating it into paychecks. So paycheck 1 over here, and then I'll list all the bills, and then paycheck 2 over here, and I'll list all the bills, just the bills only, and that's it. And then here is where you can see that I miserably failed at my February no spend. As you can see, there's a lot of Target, which is my weakness because I work there and sometimes I forget to bring my lunch. So you'll see like little little charges for like $1.44, $1.61, $1.44, $1.80. Those are like just like little fruits and stuff that I just buy so that I can have something to eat, so that I'm not starving you know, when I get home. So if I add all that up, I could have saved so much more money if I didn't spend that, but you know, it's okay. You live and learn. So next time I'm going to try to do better. So this, I'm going to write in black. So, oops. I hope that's straight. I hope y'all can see this because my camera doesn't have zoom because I record from my phone. So my cash envelopes, as you can see, so I know it says for Saturday, but that's because that's when I'm going to go to the bank, but I already know how much I'm going to take out. So for my cash envelopes for Saturday the 17th, I am going to put $115. Now I only use this one for budgeting, but I was so excited to see Black Panther on Saturday that I decided to put this movie night sticker from I think that one is just from this sticker book here. Yeah, it's just from this sticker book. That's where I got it from. And then I put this sticker here for Feed the Pig First. I really like that one. And then my account balances. I don't know what these are yet, so I'm just going to leave this blank, and I will show y'all this in the next video that I do with the cash clips. So today is Thursday, so over here I didn't do any spending on Monday. I didn't spend anything on Tuesday or Wednesday, and then today is Thursday, and I'm sure I'm not gonna spend anything today either, but I'll mark that off when the day is over. Yeah guys, nothing really too important in this video, so I will be back next week, or actually I'll be back in a couple days with my cash clips and with the cash clips and the movie money, and then I'll show y'all what I'm going to do with this page here. And then before you know it, we'll be in March, and I'll be showing you my monthly budget with March. So I'm going to try to get that cash clips video out by Saturday because I'm off this weekend, so I will try to get it out by Saturday. If not, I'm definitely going to have it out by Sunday the 18th. So be looking out for that video, and thank you so much for your support on my last video. Like, I already have 1,000 views on that video, and I was shocked. I was shocked. I've never had 1,000 views in a week before, so thank you for everyone that subscribed to my channel from that video, and thank you for everybody for liking that video and watching it. I really appreciate it. So if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, and I will see you on Saturday or Sunday. Okay, bye guys.